In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide with Google. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some experience, this guide will help you make the most of your Google experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's open your web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Google into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll see the familiar search bar in the center. This is your starting point for accessing the vast resources and tools that Google offers. Now, let's focus on something specific, like copying a Gmail link, which is a helpful skill for sharing information quickly and efficiently. If you want to share your Gmail address, or even a specific email link with someone, you can do this easily using Google's features. Start by logging into your Gmail account. If you're not already familiar with this process, enter your email address and password, and make sure to proceed through any additional security checks if prompted. Once you're in your inbox, navigate to the email you wish to share. Click on the email to open it. Now that you have the email open, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of your browser window. This bar displays the URL, or web address, of the email you're currently viewing. Simply click to highlight the entire address, then right-click and select Copy, or press Ctrl and C on your keyboard if you prefer using shortcuts. Once you've copied the email link, you can paste it into a message or document by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using Ctrl and V. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to copy a Gmail email link. This functionality can be incredibly useful, whether you're coordinating with colleagues, sharing important information, or simply trying to keep everyone on the same page. Another pro tip: if you're trying to share your Gmail ID itself rather than a link to a specific email, you can simply type it out or copy it from your Google profile or email settings. Always ensure you share your Gmail ID and links securely, particularly if they contain sensitive or personal information. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore and utilize these features, the more proficient you'll become. Google offers an incredible range of tools and options that can simplify and enhance your daily digital tasks. Explore and take full advantage of what's available. So, give these steps a try, and soon you'll be guiding with Google like a pro. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful guides and tips. See you next time.